Hey, Midnight Raven here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. Who doesn't love an unboxing? But it's an unboxing, a calendar. I love calendars. So this is the Countdown to Christmas Cosmetics Advent Calendar. This came, as it's shining in your eyeballs, this came from Wilko's, and it was £6. There is 24 doors in this for £6, so I don't know what we're expecting. Hopefully expecting something, but I don't know, for £6, 24 doors, what does that make everything like? 25p? So, who knows what we're going to find. So, we're going to take a look. There is a list on the back here of what we're going to get. I'm not going to look at that because we don't want to support the surprise. Like I said, this has been fabulously created to give you the confidence and freedom to go out and feel good. So, let's grab life with both hands and shimmy on the dance floor. Countdown to style. With this essential makeup behind each door, you'll feel pampered all the way to the big day. So here we go. It's all very shiny. I do love the design. It's all kind of shiny and stuff. So we're going to get into this. Slightly. So first of all, we're going to go through all 24 doors and see what we got. So door 1, if we can get it undone. I always have trouble with calendars, so don't worry. It's always me. Okay, door number 1. So door number 1, we have a lipstick. It's a good start. Good start to have a lipstick. And it's in a red colour. Look at that. It's like a reddy pinky colour. It's more pink on your screen, but it's actually red on mine. And it looks like this. It's a very nice pinky colour to do for Christmas. Now that's the first one. Door number 2 is this little one. So what we're going to find? Who knows what we're going to find? That's the exciting part. So here we have that thing here. This, I want to say that it's lip stain. I want to say it's lip stain or lip gloss there. Another pinky colour again. I want to say that it's a lip stain. Lip balm. Okay, so it's a heart-shaped lip balm. Yeah, one heart-shaped lip balm. There you go. Nice lip balm. Doesn't smell too much of anything, but cute nonetheless. Okay, number 3. Oh, who doesn't like opening these doors? Oh, what we got in here? Oh, we got nail varnish. So we have a nail varnish. This is pretty cool. This is in a tiny little silver. See that? Turn it on its sides. It's all silver and glitzy. So Christmas season coming up, you're going to need a bit of glitz by the time we get to the new year. Right, door number 4 is another tiny one, so I'm guessing this is another lip balm. Oh no, it's a hairband. Oh, so we've got some of these non-crinkle hairbands. I got some of these before from a company called Hair On, and they're meant to be hairbands that don't leave a crinkle in your hair. So we've got a nice pink one there. That's kind of cool. Okay, door number 5, another little window. Oh, we love opening windows. Oh, we've got another one. Okay, so we've got a clear one this time. Same again, another hairband. I suppose it's alright to have 2. Hopefully there's no more. I think 2's enough. So that's there. Okay, door number 6. It's down the bottom here, so it's a fairly big door. So we're going to have another lipstick maybe. Oh, no. We've got this tube, which is lip gloss. So we've got a pink lip gloss here. Gorgeous colour. It's got a bit of a pinky feel to it. Anyone kind of shocked that maybe it wouldn't be red for Christmas? I mean, pink seems more like a Valentine's colour. It's kind of pink. Okay. So number 7. Another little window. Oh, and in this one, oh, we've got something different. We've got an eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow here. And it's kind of, I want to say it's like a metallic brown. It's like a metallic brown, to be fair. Let's see if we can. It kind of goes all right. It's kind of dusted on my hand just there. Very light. I don't have a brush with me, but it's okay. It's all right. Okay, for 25p, I think we're saying that each item is worth. So that was 7. So door number 8. Oh, and we've got one of these sponges. I love one of these sponges. I can't remember what they're called. Blending sponge. That was it. So this is a blending sponge, and it's in pink again. It's alright. It's bendy. I do love these where you blend them, and it's kind of cool. I have quite a few of these as well. Right. So door number 9. Got another little door. Ooh. Oh dear. It's another hairband. Maybe disappointed, but like I said, it was like 25p, I think so. Okay, we've got enough hairbands now. So number 10. Fingers crossed, no more hairbands. Oh, we have another lip gloss, and this one again is a red one. So we have a red lip gloss this time. It does come out a little bit pink on my camera, but this is more red. As you can see, the two differences now. This is pink and this is red. So we have a red lip gloss again. Pretty. I like the sizes though. They're pretty full sizes as well, which is good to see. Number 11. It's a bigger one this time. Ooh. Okay. So I'm glad they had these both in the same door, because I hate the people that do advent calendars and they put one in each door. So we've got some toe separators. As you've got the nail varnish, I'm guessing. I hate getting things like these in calendars. They're like, but 25p, it's fine. So got some toe separators there. Okay, door number 12. Another faux pas for calendars are these. Why? Just no. Faux pas are these and these. I mean, just one. Look at that. Applicator brush. I don't know. I don't know if I'd be overjoyed to get that in a calendar. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh my god, so exciting, and not really. Okay, door number 13. Let's hope for something good. Oh, what are we going to have? Oh, we have another nail varnish. Okay, so this time we have a baby pink nail varnish. I want to say it's baby pink. So that kind of goes with the pink theme that they've going. So hopefully they'll have like a red nail varnish. That'd be kind of cool. Baby pink nail varnish. Okay, door number 14 is another long one. So maybe another lip gloss. Nope, it's a nail file. Okay. So I don't like receiving nail files either, to be fair. It says it nailed it, and it's just a normal nail file. I don't like receiving nail files. I don't like receiving these applicator brushes, all the toe separators. It's just not, it's not going to excite me to get a nail file. I'm not going to be overjoyed. Number 15. Hopefully this isn't another nail file. No? Oh, we've got a pencil this time. So this is pretty cool. Door number 15. We have a lip liner in red. That's pretty cool. It's a nice colour as well. So it comes off like that. So it does go. And with the fact you've got the red lip gloss already, goes pretty well. Do like the size of the pencil though. Good size pencil. Number 16. Which I'm struggling to get open. Oh, what do we have here? We have mascara. A little mascara like this. I don't know what colour it's in. Doesn't say. Let's see if it says on the back. Just says one mascara. So I'm inclined to think that it's black. God, that's watery. You hear that? That is very watery. It's got a decent brush though. It's very watery. So we've got a black mascara as well. Okay, day number 17. What are we going to get? So we've got another little thing here. This is Perfect Your Pout. Okay. So this must be, I'm going to say another lip balm. Okay, it It's stuck. It's not coming out. It's in there. I want to say it's a lip balm. Let me see if I can. It's a round lip balm, but it's stuck. It really is stuck. It's another lip balm. It's a round one. I can't get into it. It's like it's been crushed. Ah, there we go. It doesn't really smell of anything. I wish the lip balm smelled of something. It's just plain lip balm. But yeah, you've had 2 lip balms now, one in a heart, one in a circle, so hopefully no more lip balms. Number 18, I think they are. Number 18. So we're getting there. Number 18. Doesn't want to come out. Oh, don't you love wrestling with an advent calendar? Oh no. Okay, so we've got some rosewood sticks. I hate getting these as well. They're like really cheap, and I actually have rosewood sticks, which are really cool and expensive. These are just that's another throwaway item as such. Number 19, hoping for good. Oh, got another nail varnish, and this time no, it's not red. It's another pink. Why is it all these calendars this year it seems to be pink is in? I don't know why. Leave pink for Valentine's. Here's another pink. Pink should be for Mother's Day, should be for Valentine's. This one's called Pop. The other pink was called Candy, and the silver one was called Party. So, got another pink one. Okay, so day 20. Oh, we've got another eyeshadow. And this time it's kind of a taupe eyeshadow. I'm going to go for taupe this time. This is like a beige taupe. Doesn't feel very Christmassy though. The eyeshadows don't really feel Christmassy, and everything else seems to be like pink, apart from like the odd red item, which is kind of weird. Okay, 21. I don't know what I'm expecting. Here we go. Ooh, so we have an eyeliner now. We've had a lip liner in red, and then we have an eyeliner in black. So that will go with the black mascara, which would be pretty cool. And it's a nice size pencil. I hate the calendars where you get the little tiny pencils. It's got a full size eyeliner there. 22. So we're near the end now. Near the end. And then we'll have a quick run through. So 22 is the Get Your Glow On highlighter. So we've got a highlighter, which is unusual in a cheap calendar to get highlighter or a blush. It looks like this. I'm actually struggling to get it open at the minute. Oh, here we go. So it's another highlighter. It's in this brown colour, which kind of goes with the eyeshadows. They've gone for a really nude eyeshadow. You've got like bright pink on your fingers, red on your lips, and then they've gone for a nude eyeshadow. And this nude highlighter, which is kind of weird. It's got a kind of bronzy tone to it. But that's cool to get highlight though. You don't tend to get highlighters and blushes and stuff like that in calendars. 23, nearing the last ones now. Oh, and we have some nail stickers. Again, I'm not a fan of getting these. The nail stickers, they kind of look like glittery mountains, I guess. I'm not a fan of getting these at all. Not a fan. And 24, let it be something awesome. If I'd have got this on Christmas Day, I'd have been disappointed. 24 is some brown glittery mountains. More nail stickers. If I got this on Christmas Day, I'd be disappointed to get this on Christmas Eve. So, what did we get? So, we got a highlighter, a lipstick, 2 eyeshadows, a mascara, 2 lip glosses, 3 nail polishes, a heart-shaped lip balm, a round lip balm, a red lip liner, a black eyeliner, blending sponge, the sponge eyeshadow applicator, the 3 hair bands, the 2 nail sticks, the nail file, the toe separators, and the wooden cuticle sticks. So all in all, with the calendar being worth only £6, that makes every item 20 odd p, 25p. You have to say you got your money's worth, however you look at it. Even if I don't like the pink, the toe separators, the applicator brush, the nail file, the nail stickers, all the cuticle sticks, the rest, the nail varnishes and the eyeshadows, although they're not my colours, you can't fault the fact that that would be worth 25p. So, I would say it's not a bad calendar. I would say it's more for your niece, your daughter, anyone that's kind of under the age of maybe 13 and under, maybe up to 15 years. But I would say it's a teenage calendar for the younger kids by the colours and everything. I'd say it's more of a teenage, young daughter kind of calendar. So sort of maybe anywhere from maybe 7 to like 13. So it's £6 though, so it is a good calendar. I mean, I have to say, Wilpo's have done a good job on that. So this was the Kiss Cosmetics Advent Calendar. I think it's an alright calendar. Would I buy it myself? No. Obviously, for me, the pinks and the nudes aren't my colours, but for anyone else, I would highly suggest it. So, £6, good old Wilko's. So if you want to like, subscribe to me. I have more calendars coming. I even have men's advent calendars, so stay tuned for that as well. Do like, subscribe to my channel for a whole month of Christmas, and I'll see you very soon for another unboxing of an advent calendar. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.